In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link from text in Gmail. If you've ever pasted text and Gmail automatically turned part of it into a clickable link, or you changed your mind after hyperlinking a word, this quick fix keeps the words exactly as they are while removing the click-through. First, open Gmail and start a new message with Compose, or open a message and hit reply if you're responding to someone. This gets you into the email editor where the text lives, and you don't need to send anything yet. We're just editing what's on the screen. On desktop, Compose is in the left sidebar, and Reply opens the editor at the bottom of the thread. Either way, you're working in the same writing area with the formatting toolbar. Next, click directly on the linked text you want to clean up. You'll recognize it because it usually appears colored and underlined, and when you hover, you might see the destination address. Clicking the linked word or phrase selects it and brings up Gmail's small link bubble right under the selection. You may also see a small card with the destination address. That's Gmail confirming it detected a link. With the link selected, look for the Remove Link icon. It typically looks like a little chain link with a small X or a break in it. You'll see it either in the floating bubble near the selected text or in the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click Remove Link. That's it. The text stays exactly where it was, but the hyperlink is gone. You'll notice it returns to normal body text styling, and it no longer opens anything when you click or hover. If you move your cursor over the words and no address appears, that's a quick confirmation the link has been removed. Gmail also removes the underline and link color so the words match the rest of your message. A couple of quick notes to keep your formatting tidy. Removing a link only affects the clickability. It doesn't delete letters, punctuation, or spacing. If you removed a link from a URL and still want the words visible, that's fine. They'll just be plain text now. And if you change your mind later and want that text to be a link again, you can add a link back the same way you normally would. And that's the whole process. Open Compose or Reply, click the linked text, and click Remove Link. Clean, simple, and reliable. Use it anytime a link slips in where you don't want it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.